Having learned about infinitive, we will do a short exercise to complete the sentence with to. Okay, that's what we are going to do now. You can complete it anyhow you like. Complete each sentence So, what we are going to do now, complete each of the sentences with a suitable to infinitive. So, we are going to complete the sentence adding to. Okay? The first one, does she know? Does she know? Does she know how? Okay? Now I have incomplete sentences and you're going to complete it with to infinitive. You can complete it anyhow. She wanted. She wanted. He has agreed. He has agreed. We got up. We got up. They wanted us. They wanted us not. Do you wish? Do you wish? This book is difficult. This book is difficult. Hindi is easy. These oranges are these oranges are sweet. Okay. Now I have 9 sentences and I'll write one more here and that is last one. The table was too heavy. The table was too heavy. Was too heavy. Now we have to complete all these sentences. Now, let's look at it. Complete each of the sentences with a suitable to infinitive. We have to use to, then only infinitive sentences can be formed. Does she know how? You can say how to cook. Does she know how to dance? You can complete anyhow. Does she know how to dance. So we have used to infinitive. So now we have the complete sentence, infinitive sentence here. Does she know how to dance? She wanted. She wanted to come, or she wanted to sing, or she wanted to cook. She wanted to sing. We use the infinitive. He has agreed. He has agreed to pay the fine. He has agreed to pay. He has agreed to pay the fine. To pay. Next we have we got up. We got up to make. We got up to go out. We got up to go. We got up to go out. Next, they wanted us not to make, not to make. They wanted us not to make. They wanted us not to make noise. Do you wish? Do you wish to eat? Do you wish to eat? To eat. Then, this book is too difficult to read. To read. This book is too difficult to read. Hindi is easy to learn. Easy to learn. To learn. These oranges are sweet to eat. To eat. Then we have the table was too heavy to lift. Too heavy to lift. To lift. To lift. Okay, I'll put it here. To lift. Now, complete the sentences with the suitable to infinitive. Here we have, does she know how to dance? She wanted to sing. He has agreed to pay. We got up to go. They wanted us not to make. Do you wish to eat? This book is too difficult to read. Hindi is easy to learn. These oranges are sweet to eat. The table is too heavy to lift. So we have learned you can complete this in any manner. All you need to do is to add to form the infinitive sentence.